Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I'm Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. With that being said, we're just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame. So as you can see, I've took this long position on quite a few different crypto pairs. The same basic strategy, the same basic principle for each of the trades. Basically, the altcoin market I think is going to have a bounce soon. Bitcoin's obviously swept a ton of liquidity recently down below some of the lows that it's been seeing. And right now we are looking at Polygon basically just continuing to the downside, obviously having a little bit of a rally here, but overall Polygon has been showing a lot of volatility and a lot of weakness actually in comparison to quite a lot of altcoins which looked very bottomed out. Polygon looks like it's still got a bit of room to run. As you can see, we obviously broke down from that big area of support at the 0.23 Fibonacci at around 54 cents. Currently sitting at this in and around this 50-cent level. You would say we've probably broken down and now back testing that previous support as resistance. Obviously Polygon, I do think overall is probably going to see a bounce to the upside fairly soon, just like most altcoins. Obviously it's had a bit more volatility to the downside than most of my trades that I've taken that are long positions right now, but this is why I leave a nice wide stop loss. You can see here I'm only sitting in around a small amount of drawdown right now, as you can see, probably only around 3 cents of drawdown here currently. Obviously we came down here, we bounced back up close to my entry right now near the break-even point, and still just, you know, chilling. I would say there's a lot of positive signs on this chart. The crazy amount of oversoldness now. I mean, the Polygon is just getting ridiculously oversold now. You can see quite clearly on the charts here. We've come down here. We had a really oversold period here as well, where we did, you know, have a bounce and a consolidation. Obviously, we've got a bit of continuation, but we did break out of that first major downtrend resistance, and you can see this local downtrend resistance, the breakout and the double bottom back test as support. Oversold as well. In my opinion, this will probably bounce back up into this previous area of structure at around 70 cents over the next month or so, which would turn this into a nice trade. Right now, we're just chilling and waiting for the market to sort itself out, but right now, still just waiting.